Most face sunscreens feel greasy, leave a white cast, or trigger breakouts the next day. That's why people skip them and pay for it later. Covering the 7 best face sunscreens for 2026, from the budget pick to the dermatologist gold standard. Links are in the description. Stick around. The number 1 is what dermatologists have quietly recommended for over a decade. Starting at number 7, the Neutrogena Clear Face Sun Protection Factor 50. The best ultra-budget face sunscreen for acne-prone skin. Most cheap sunscreens clog pores and trigger breakouts, the exact reason oily skin people quit wearing them. Clear Face is built specifically not to break you out. First, Helioplex Broad Spectrum Sun Protection Factor 50. Stabilized ultraviolet A and ultraviolet B protection that doesn't degrade in sunlight. Next, a water-light, oil-free matte texture. No shine, no stickiness, sits cleanly under makeup. Finally, water-resistant 80 minutes. Survives sweat and hot weather without sliding off. The catch: no moisturizing benefit. Needs a separate moisturizer underneath. Slightly alcoholic feel on application. Built for oily skin only. Best for teens, college students, oily and acne-prone faces. Not for dry skin or anyone wanting a 2-in-1. At $12.48, the Clear Face is the cheapest way to stop sunscreen breakouts. Oily skin on a tight budget? Start here. At number 6, the CeraVe AM Facial Moisturizing Lotion. Sun Protection Factor 50. The best step-up budget pick that doubles as moisturizer. Layering a moisturizer and sunscreen takes time, and the two often pill or feel heavy together. CeraVe AM collapses both into one bottle. First, microfine zinc oxide Sun Protection Factor 50 Broad Spectrum. Gentle mineral protection without the chalky white cast. Next, 3 essential ceramides plus niacinamide. Restore the skin barrier while protecting it. Finally, hyaluronic acid keeps skin plump all day. No sun protection factor-induced dehydration. The catch: some variants are sun protection factor 30 only. Confirm you're buying sun protection factor 50. Mineral filters feel thicker if over-applied. No tint. Best for budget shoppers, dry skin, anyone who hates layering. Not for oily skin types wanting a true matte finish. At $15.87, the AM lotion is 2 products in 1. Skincare and sun protection factor together, this wins. At number 5, the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Sun Protection Factor 60. The highest ultraviolet protection in the budget tier. Sun Protection Factor 50 fades fast in real-world heat and sweat. By 2 p.m., you're underprotected and don't know it. Ultra Sheer pushes the ceiling up with Sun Protection Factor 60 in a serum light formula. First, Broad Spectrum Sun Protection Factor 60 with Helioplex, the highest sustained protection on this entire list. Next, a serum texture with vitamin E, absorbs in seconds, hydrates lightly, no greasy film. Finally, 80-minute water resistance in a fragrance and oxybenzone-free formula, doubles as a makeup primer. The catch: purely chemical filters. Some sensitive skin can't tolerate them. Small 1.7-ounce bottle runs out fast, too light for very dry skin. Best for high protection seekers, makeup wearers, daily commuters. Not for chemical filter avoiders or dry skin types. At $15.88, the Ultra Sheer is the highest sun protection factor on this list. A serum that vanishes on contact. Bulletproof daily defense, sealed. At number 4, the Innisfree Daily Ultraviolet Defense Sun Protection Factor 36. The best Korean sunscreen for a dewy, invisible finish. Most Western sunscreens leave a white cast that ruins selfies and makes darker skin tones look ashy. Innisfree's Korean formula was built to disappear into the skin. First, Broad Spectrum Sun Protection Factor 36, with a true no white cast formula, gentle on every skin tone. Next, green tea, cica, and sunflower seed oil, soothing botanicals that hydrate and calm redness. Finally, a lightweight dewy finish. Sits like skincare, not sunscreen, glowy even on bare skin. The catch: sun protection factor 36 is the lowest on this list. Daily wear, yes. Full day sun, no. No water resistance claim. Small 1.69 ounce bottle runs out fast. Best for K-beauty fans, makeup wearers, anyone fighting white cast. Not for outdoor athletes or beachgoers. At $18, the Daily Ultraviolet Defense is the dewy Korean sun protection factor Western brands can't match. Hate white cast? This is your sunscreen. At number 3, the Roche-Posay Toleriane Double Repair Ultraviolet Sun Protection Factor 30. The best 2-in-1 moisturizer plus sunscreen for sensitive skin. Layering sun protection factor over moisturizer can sting, pill, or trigger irritation on sensitive faces. Toleriane Double Repair does both jobs in one step. First, ceramide 3, niacinamide, and glycerin, 3 of the most studied barrier repair ingredients in a single formula. Next, prebiotic thermal water. Restores the skin microbiome harsh cleansers strip away. Finally, broad-spectrum sun protection factor 30. All-day hydration plus ultraviolet A and ultraviolet B protection. Dermatologist tested on sensitive skin. The catch? Sun protection factor 30 is the lowest protection here. Daily wear, yes. Long sun, no. No tint option. Slight shine on oily skin. Best for sensitive skin, eczema-prone faces, anyone wanting skincare and sun protection factor in one. Not for high sun exposure days or matte finish seekers. At $24.99, the Toleriane Double Repair is a moisturizer that also protects. Sensitive skin? This is the smart pick. Quick reminder, if this is helping, hit like and subscribe. All links are in the description. Now to the top 2 picks. At number 2, the Roche-Posay Anthelios Mineral Ultra Light Sun Protection Factor 50. The best 100% mineral face sunscreen for sensitive and reactive skin. Chemical ultraviolet filters absorb into the skin and trigger reactions in sensitive faces. But most mineral options look pasty and chalky. Anthelios Mineral Ultra Light vanishes into the skin instead. First, 100% mineral zinc oxide and titanium dioxide. Physical blockers that sit on top of the skin instead of absorbing in. Next, Cell Ox Shield antioxidant technology. Neutralizes free radicals that ultraviolet exposure creates inside the skin. Finally, an ultralight fluid texture. Fast absorbing, oil-free, dermatologist tested for sensitive skin. The catch: 40-minute water resistance, needs reapply for swimming. Tiny white cast under harsh light. Mineral filters can pill under heavy makeup. Best for sensitive skin, pregnant women, anyone who reacts to chemical filters. Not for heavy makeup wearers or pool swimmers. At $39.99, the Anthelios Mineral is what dermatologists hand pregnant patients. Already been burned by a chemical sunscreen? This is the upgrade. Now, the number 1 pick. This is the one dermatologists have quietly recommended for over a decade. Here it is. The number 1 best face sunscreen for 2026 is the EltaMD Ultraviolet Clear Sun Protection Factor 46, the dermatologist gold standard. Most sunscreens work for one skin type and fail the others. Oily formulas dry out dry skin. Gentle formulas break out acne-prone skin. Ultraviolet Clear was engineered to work for all of them. First, transparent zinc oxide sun protection factor 46. Physical mineral protection that disappears on every skin tone. Second, niacinamide in the formula. Calms redness, fades hyperpigmentation, and helps prevent breakouts. Third, Oil-free, non-comedogenic, fragrance-free. Explicitly tested on rosacea, acne, hyperpigmented, and post-procedure skin. Cons. Small 1.7-ounce pump runs out fast on daily reapply. No 80-minute water resistance. Untinted version can leave a slight sheen. Best for every skin type. Oily, dry, sensitive, rosacea, acne-prone. Not for anyone on a strict budget or needing heavy water resistance. At $45, the Ultraviolet Clear is the sunscreen dermatologists actually wear themselves. Want the one pick that works for any face? This is it. And there you have it. The 7 best face sunscreens for 2026, from budget acne-friendly picks to the dermatologist gold standard. Drop a comment with which one you're going with and what skin type you have. Links are in the description. If this helped, hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.